String of turtles. A guide to this adorable succulent. Hey there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the string of turtles, a succulent that's as cute as it is easy to care for. This little plant, with its round, patterned leaves resembling a turtle's shell, has stolen hearts and windowsills worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newbie, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about keeping your string of turtles happy and thriving. See more 1424 species in genus Peperomia at monsteraholic.com. What is a string of turtles? The string of turtles, Peperomia prostrata, is a succulent native to the lush rainforests of Brazil. It boasts cascading vines adorned with small, round leaves. These leaves are the true stars of the show, featuring a captivating pattern of darker green veins that mimic a turtle shell. String of turtles versus string of hearts. String of turtles is a gem with its delicate, intricately patterned leaves, but the whimsical, heart-shaped foliage of string of hearts always steals the show for me. String of turtles versus turtle vine. When I compare string of turtles to turtle vine, Caligia repens, I find the former's adorable, tiny leaves more charming, while turtle vine's vigorous growth adds a touch of wild beauty to my collection. String of turtles versus string of pearls. What's the difference? Both string of turtles and string of pearls are popular succulents known for their trailing vines. However, there's some key distinctions. Leaves. String of turtles has round, patterned leaves, while string of pearls features plump, teardrop-shaped ones. Growth. String of turtles grows faster and fuller than string of pearls. Light. String of turtles prefers bright, indirect light, whereas string of pearls tolerates lower light conditions. Is a string of turtles easy to care for? Absolutely. This succulent's easygoing nature makes it perfect for busy plant owners or those new to the hobby. It thrives on neglect, within reason, of course, and requires minimal care to flourish. How do I water my string of turtles? Here's the golden rule. Underwatering is always better than overwatering. String of turtles, like most succulents, stores water in its leaves. Soggy soil can lead to root rot, so wait until the top inch of soil feels completely dry before watering again. How much light does my string of turtles need? String of turtles thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a window. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. If your home lacks sufficient natural light, consider supplementing with grow lights. What kind of soil does a string of turtles need? Well-draining soil is crucial to prevent root rot. A good option is a succulent or cactus mix, which allows excess water to drain easily. You can also create your own mix by combining potting soil with perlite or coarse sand for added drainage. Does my string of turtles need fertilizer? String of turtles is not a heavy feeder. A light application of fertilizer once or twice a year during the growing season, spring and summer, is sufficient. Always dilute fertilizer according to package instructions to avoid burning the roots. How do I propagate a string of turtles? Propagation is a fantastic way to expand your string of turtles collection or share the planting love with friends. The easiest method is stem cuttings. Simply snip off a healthy stem with a few leaves, allow the cut end to callus over for a day or two, and then plant it in a pot with well-draining soil. Common string of turtles problems. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your plant to a brighter location. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering or overwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering habits accordingly. Drooping leaves. Underwatered string of turtles tend to have limp leaves. Give your plant a thorough drink and it should perk up soon. Final thoughts. The string of turtles is a delightful addition to any indoor space. Its charming looks, coupled with its low-maintenance needs, make it a winner for plant enthusiasts of all levels. With a little TLC, your string of turtles will reward you with cascading vines adorned with its signature turtle shell leaves, bringing a touch of nature's beauty into your home.